Welcome to our video tutorial series on Destiny Library Manager.
Today's topic will be processing holds requests for students. Hi, today we're going to be discussing holds and where you can find the list of books that your students have requested. To find those holds, you're going to click on Circulation, and then you're going to click on Holds, and then you're going to click on View Requests. This will give you the list of books that your students have on hold. We'll tell you the call number, the title, details, and the patron that's requested them. When you're ready to start pulling those holds and checking them out to your students, you simply click Pull Copy, and it will tell you that there are local materials ready for patron. You can also set Destiny up to send you a daily email to alert you of materials that are to be pulled for your patrons. To do that, you're going to click on Admin, then you're going to click on Site Configuration, and then Circulation. You're going to scroll down, and where it says Holds and Reserves, you're going to click on Enable the once daily email reminder for holds, and you're going to type in your email address. You're going to scroll back up to the top and click Save to save that configuration, and make sure that you will receive that daily email alert. If you're lucky enough to have a clerk, you can also add your clerk to this email. You can simply use a semicolon and type your clerk's email after yours, and then again, click Save.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial on Destiny Library Manager.
Today's topic was processing hold requests for students. For more information on today's topic or any other topic pertaining to Destiny Library Manager, please contact Library Media Services. For more information on the products shared during this presentation, visit our website, librarycurrent.palmbeachschools.org, or visit our YouTube channel, PBCSD Library Media Services.